Good morning, good morning, good morning. And look what we're on, the VTR. It's been to the beauty parlour. It's had a bit of loving and titivation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like now in all its glory. And then afterwards I'll chat and explain what I've done, what I haven't done, what I like, what I don't like, and what I've still got to do. So stick with me, and we'll go through everything that's happened with the VTR over the last few months. Okay, so let's talk about what we've done. So we've gone for the cheap Chinese fairing kit, which I'll talk about a bit more when we're riding back. Thanks very much to one of the guys I work with in the body shop, who has done a spectacular job with the finish on this. I've cleaned up the frame, painted the front forks, and painted the rear swing arm. Now this is kind of a shakedown run because it's had the wheels off, it's had the chain off, it's had the brakes off, and all the fairings come off, so obviously electrics have been moved. So this is an opportunity now to check everything's working okay. I know that beauty's in the eye of the beholder, and there may be some out there that don't like race replica colours, but I love this. You know that I've always loved red on bikes, and I think this works. It's a good scheme. It's actually a replica of the Valentino Rossi Suzuka 8-hour race where he rode the SP1 Honda VTR1000, but I absolutely love it. I love the colours. The only things I haven't done so far are the wheels. Now, I haven't done the wheels for a good reason. It's because I don't know what colour to go with. The actual race bike wheels were black, which I'm probably going to go with, but I've always had this love of gold wheels or dark gold wheels, so I'm still undecided on that, on whether that's going to be the option when I come round to do the wheels. But apart from that, I love it. I think it's great. It was quite nice to get back on the VTR again today, actually, because I haven't ridden it for a while. It felt very alien, felt very aggressive because of the riding position, and it felt very fast, but I have been sensible because that's the kind of guy that I am. Okay, let's get a move on. What's really good about getting back on this is just you realise how sort of meat and potatoes the Harley Davidson Sportster is, because everything on this is like butter. You know, the gear change, the steering, it's all light, it's all easy. The gear change is just night and day. But that's not to say the Harley Davidson's bad, it's just say it's different, you get a different feeling from it. It's rough and ready, whereas this is, you know, bear in mind this is a 25-year-old bike. This is quite precise and tweaked, should we say. It's designed for one purpose. That purpose causes my wrists to ache no end already, and that's only after not riding it for a couple of months. So I think I have to get some strength back in them. So like I say, beauty is very much in the eye of the beholder. I like it, but not everyone will, and I fully understand that, and I respect that, because everyone's taste is different. Please let me know what you think. If you've got any questions about the Chinese fairing kits, I'll be happy to answer them. But just to address a couple now, which you're probably thinking, does it fit? Sort of. It needs a bit of adjustment, a bit of movement, a bit of twisting, and a bit of drilling of the actual fixing positions. They're not all in the right place, and they don't all fit snugly, so you have to do a little bit of work on it. Is it really good quality? No. Again, you can tell it's very weak. I wouldn't like to go too fast on the bike in case it starts to fly off. No, I'm only joking, it's not that bad, but no, the quality isn't anything like the original equipment. But you price up the original equipment, and you'll understand why. Is it easily attainable? Yes, it is. It's on eBay, cheap as chips. You can actually put in offers for it rather than paying the full price, and they get it out to you. It takes a little while, by the way. Sometimes you have to wait 6 to 8 weeks, but it comes well packed, and I had no issues with the condition of mine when it came. And then it went in to get a sort of extra lacquering and extra colouring that I wanted with the guys in the body shop. So let me know what you think. I'd appreciate all feedback, actually. Positive, negative, indifferent. I know there's a lot of guys that subscribe to my channel that are very much VTR fans. You're VTR through and through, which is awesome. But I'd like your opinion on what you think of it. It's amazing getting back on this. Absolutely effortless. And what do you think about the wheel colour? Let me know your thoughts. If you search Valentino Rossi Suzuka 8-hour VTR1000, you'll see the actual bike that he rode. The wheels are black, but do I want to go for a complete race replica, or do you think this could pull off gold wheels? I don't know. I just don't know. What I don't want to do is paint them gold and then realise they look stupid. I don't want to look stupid. And by the way, in case you're wondering why I'm probably breathing quite heavily, it's because today is the day that the UK had its all-time record temperature of just under, I think it was just under 41 degrees near London at Heathrow. Now we're a couple of hundred miles away from that. I think the highest we got was 38, and I don't think it's dropped much. However, there is fresher air coming in, and it's really needed, because God, I haven't slept properly in a couple of days with this heat. We're just not prepared for it, we're not used to it. So there you go, there's it is, there's the VTR back in all its glory, and what glory it is. So I'll leave you there. I want you guys to stay safe, have fun, and I'll catch you on the flip side.